Hey guys, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Shanu and I'm a part of OnceHub support team. In this video, I will walk you through what master pages are and provide the overview of its different scenarios. So a master pages lets you combine multiple booking pages and event types into one central access point for your customers. You can set up so people choose a team member, select a meeting type, meet with multiple team members simultaneously, or let bookings be assigned automatically based on set rules. So let's go. Once you log into your OneSub account, you will be landed on the home page. From here, click on Booking Pages from the left panel. This is the master page section, and to create a new master page, click on the plus icon. Enter the public name visible to your customers, internal label visible only to you within the OneSub account, public link, and select one of the scenarios as per your need. You can also set the master page image, and finally clicking on Save and Edit. So, team or panel pages scenario is used to distribute bookings amongst your team members automatically based on the set rules on the resource pool. This can also be used for panel meetings where your customers can meet multiple team members simultaneously. This supports one-time link, good for one-time booking. Next is the event type first scenario. In this, the customers will be first presented with the event type selection. Once they select an event type, they can then select one of the booking page for the team members, finally selecting a time slot. Next is the booking page first, which is reverse of the event type first, where customers will be able to select a team member or a booking page first, then the event type, and finally selecting a time slot. Finally, booking pages only. In this scenario, you can include booking pages without associated event types. When customers access the master page link, they can first select a booking page and directly the time. So yeah, that was it from my side, and I'll see you in the next one.